This video is for anyone who needs to learn how to use a Canon camera or needs a refresher. This is only the basics, so do not expect me to go through every feature. Here is the on and off button, which I switch between on and off. Wait, as you can see, the screen is turned off. So let's go see over here. Let's go check our battery. And it looks like I don't have a battery. So give me a second to go get one. Okay, I've got another battery. I'm gonna put it in, and you can see this little mark over here for me. You'll probably be able to see it clearer when you actually have it. You put it in according to the arrow, so you click it in, and then you can close the thing. If you don't have a Canon camera, it'll say no Canon camera, but obviously you can see the video. Picture mode, you have to look through here to be able to see out, okay? If you turn this one way or the other, it'll zoom in, like this or that. Over here. Okay, over here is the DSLR dial. Over here is A+, flash off, and CA. Over here is P, TV, and AV. I'm going to press down on this little button so that you can see better. And then over here is M and bulb. Next is C1 and C2, which are custom settings. Next we have night portrait and special scene, which are the last modes of our DSLR dial. Here, right here, is where is the button you press to take a picture, and then right here, on like the dial that you use to switch from picture to video, is where you put the button that you use to start and stop your video with. Turning it back on, if you click the info button, it will choose how much info is shown when on video. If I switch it to camera, it will do the same thing, which is also where you can find your stabilizer. See how stable you are. Really good. Stop button, which is for videoing. Then it will do this. It will show you what your picture will be with all of your stuff. My flash is now up. Over here is my mic mount. That's all for my video today, so have a great day.